Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the battery. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on advanced settings, and as you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the show battery percentage on status bar option, which is of course currently turned off, because we've got only the battery indicator and the status bar. So basically just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, the exact percentage of the usage of the battery will immediately appear inside the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again, but let me leave it like this. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.